Hello everyone, and welcome to our March episode of Cooking with Celebrate. In this episode, we will be making our matcha green tea protein shake inspired by St. Patty's Day. 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon matcha green tea powder, 2 scoops unflavored Rebuild protein powder, 1 cup raw or frozen spinach, 2 cups milk or milk alternative, 1/2 frozen banana. Our spotlight ingredient for this recipe is our Rebuild protein powder. So we will be using our unflavored powder, but we have a variety of flavors. Our protein powder is 20 grams of whey protein isolate. And what's great about this formulation is that we also incorporate a gut health component to it. So we have pre and probiotics, we have bacillus coagulans, and then we have our fiber source of inulin from chicory root. So this is a great, well-balanced protein shake that's unique to others that are available on the market. So this recipe is super simple to make. You will just take all of your ingredients, add them to your blender, and blend to the desired consistency that you like. If you want to be able to sip it through a straw, obviously we're making it thinner. If you want it to be thicker, there would be a less blending time. So we'll get started. So first we'll add our 2 cups. I have oat milk here because I cannot have dairy, but you can use regular milk or whatever you desire. Almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, whatever you like. We're going to add our spinach. So what I did with the spinach, I like to use frozen spinach, so I will buy the fresh spinach. I throw it in the freezer overnight, and then when I'm making it, usually I make this shake in the mornings. This is what I have for breakfast during the work week. I then will add it so that it's the fresh leaves, but they're frozen. I like that little bit of added texture it provides to the shake. We'll add our frozen banana, 2 scoops of our unflavored Rebuild protein powder, our matcha green tea powder, and our honey. So if I'm using a single serving, obviously I just use our NutriBullet, but you can put it in your blender if you want to make it for a larger number of people. So we'll just throw our top on, and then we will blend. So we blended everything. It's this nice, beautiful shade of green or sage green if you really like colors. So we'll pour that. And then we'll top it off with our nice fancy straw. And there you have it, a simple, quick, easy, on the go, high protein, flavorful protein shake. Thank you for joining us in this episode. If you have not yet entered our cooking contest, head over to the link in our bios on social media to join. We will have a cooking contest throughout the whole month of March for National Nutrition Month, and the first week of April we will be selecting the winners. Our April cooking show will be the winning recipe, so you have a chance to win a great prize and be featured in our episode. Thank you so much for watching.